Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And to this video we're going to talk about how to copy the link of any Facebook page. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application and as a first step, go to the page you want. Good. Now tap on the 3 point at the top right. And as you can see here, the page link. To copy it, click here, copy link, click here. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.